So this is the bar swap episode. S-Works Tarmac SL3, beautiful bikes. Back in the day when bikes were designed for racing and working on and customizing your bike fit. We got another little cool product from Specialized. They've done something right. These bars are cool. Specialized Hover alloy bar, compact drop, great little bar. This is a 36 centimeter, so we're just going to chuck these on and see if we can spruce up the bike's feel. Very, very nice bike. These bars are fine. They're the Pro compact bar. A little bit wide for me at the moment. I definitely prefer a narrow bar. Having some niggles with the rotator cuff, and I find a narrow bar definitely helps with that. And that's something I've learnt from Steve Hogg and Neil Stanbury, but especially a few other people as well. So yeah, narrow bars, try them out, man. I never thought I'd be running 36 centimeter bars. I'd be like, no. But hey, try it before you deny it. So I've put them on there today, and they feel really good. Could I go rider bars? Yeah, I can go rider bars, but I do enjoy the 36s right now. Definitely eases up the biomechanics there a lot, and it's better through traffic. It's better through bunches, having smaller bars for sure. Well, they're tight, isn't it? Wedged in there, stuck in there. Those Canyon hover bars. But yeah, this cool little shape, Specialized hover bar. Check it out. Not too bad priced either. SL2.
Doing the bar swap. Nice bars these are, just a bit too wide. They're a 42. They feel like I want that. But yeah, so look at that. At the park, we're doing it at the park here. Just doing a bar swap, man. How cool is that? That's how easy these bikes are to work on. Doing it at the park, bro. Doing it at the park.
Didn't take long at all. Very, very easy job to do. Probably what took the longest time was matching up the lever height. But quick, a few little hacks and got it going. But yeah, it's a really easy, simple job to do. Just at the park to get it done. Sure, I had to make some YouTube shorts, and we also painted not painted, but we measured it out, the markings of the park there. Make sure it was 1K markers were accurate. Bike life, Adelaide, what a place! There's people hogging the dogs, just take on the whole path. Imagine how they respond to cyclists. Get off the road, mate. But anyway, share the path, share the road. Let's all use it safely. Yeah, S-Works bikes, man, it's so cheap. This bike was from Robert, $800 Australian, and it's in very, very decent condition, leaving of death, etc. So, great little bike there to be ridden. Put some bar tape on there. Let's go.